Work hard, they said. Max out your 401k, they said. Build that perfectly responsible future. And just sit back to enjoy the golden years, right?
No, bro, it's all gone. I swear to God, the algorithm just gaslighted me.
Welcome to the greatest systemic Ponzi ever designed. The 401k. For 40 years, you aggressively diamond hands your paycheck into the machine, genuinely thinking you are building this beautiful, untouchable nest egg. But reality check, Wagie, you are not a saver. You are just controlled exit liquidity, a human shield for the Degens who actually run the show. Let's break down the macro mechanics of how they perfectly rugged your entire existence. They made the matrix look incredibly easy. Set up auto deposit, pick a safe index fund. Set it, forget it, and let the compound interest do the magic. But what they carefully hide from you is that your money doesn't just sit there resting. It's forced to buy every single asset at peak inflated prices.
It becomes a vast, dumb money reservoir, holding the bag for the elites who desperately need to sell. Take my money, system. I'm gonna be so rich. Diamond hands, baby.
And while you're busy holding the line, the hidden fees and inflation are ruthlessly eroding your purchasing power. Diamond handing in a 401k? That's just pure uncut copium for the Wagie soul. The entire market stays artificially pumped simply because your paycheck is trapped in the pool.
Wait, why does everything cost so much? I'm saving.
Invisible mechanics draining you dry right in plain sight. But then the system throws you a little dopamine hit.
Oh my God, look at that pump. It's pumping. The algorithm loves me. 420% gain? I'm a literal genius. Who's the Wagie now, losers? Diamond hands forever. 401k is a literal cheat code. I'm practically root access at this point. Wall Street is my Wendy's, bro. I'm diamond handing this bad boy straight to the moon. No rug pull can ever touch me.
He actually thought he found the cheat codes. He completely forgot the one fundamental law of the dark system. You only win when they allow you to win. While Johnny was busy inhaling copium and feeling like a Degen god, the system was getting highly nervous. The Degen funds had over-leveraged the entire pool. High-frequency algorithms instantly started gaslighting the market. The macro pattern flipped.
It's fine. It's just a healthy correction, bro. Degen rules say we hold the line. It will pump. The algorithm. The algorithm loves me.
The red flags were screaming. The reverse repos, the corporate debt rug pull. He ignored it all. And then, the trap snaps.
Wait, no! What is happening? My margins!
The crash was instant. The rug pull, absolute.
No, stop! You can't do this. I have diamond hands. I have diamond hands.
The Degen funds messed up a root access algorithm, triggering a total market meltdown.
Somebody do something! Ah! Oh, thank God. The safety net.
Oh, there is a safety net. It's just not for you. Every single 401k on the planet was instantly liquidated. to completely cover the leveraged losses of the exact elites who sold you the retirement dream. My gains. 40 years. I worked for 40 years. Your lifelong safety net just became their bailout. Johnny's diamond hands. They're nothing but exit liquidity now. Complete, rugged, systemic. Why did the algorithm gaslight me? Welcome back to reality, Wagie. He thought he was a Degen king, but he was just another pawn in a 40-year gaslighting cycle. Now, he's holding the ultimate diamond hands, right at the Wendy's dumpster. Remember, the algorithm doesn't care about your retirement dream. It only cares about liquidity. Are you holding the bag or getting rugged? Subscribe to Johnny Zero for more deep mechanics on how to almost not get rugged by the dark system. Or don't. The Wendy's dumpster is literally always open. Think of the 401k as a digital black hole designed to swallow your productivity whole. Every month, a percentage of your life is siphoned off through these glowing glass pipes. The masters don't even hide the theft anymore. They just laugh at the transparency of it. One keystroke, one override, and billions in retirement funds become a high-stakes gambling chip.
Retiring at 40. The neon light said it. It must be true, right?
The system offers you a golden egg, but look closer at the teeth beneath the paint.
It's mine. My safe investment. My ticket out of the Wagie life.
And snap. There goes your mobility forever. While you're trapped, the invisible monster starts to feed. Your purchasing power is being rugged in real time.
No! Give it back. That's my rent. That's for my food. Stop it.
When reality becomes too much, the system provides a temporary escape.
Yeah, much better. The algorithm is my friend. Everything is green in here.
A digital plantation with a beach-flavored skin. Freedom as a subscription service. Comfortable in your cardboard box, Wagie? As long as the headset stays on, right? The pressure builds. The leverage is too high. The central reservoir is starting to buckle. Don't worry, the experts are on it. A tiny bandage for a fatal wound. The math of the elite is simple. Their survival requires your total liquidation. And now, the master switch is flipped.
Almost there. Just 5 more years. Maybe 10.
Whoops, the goalpost just moved. Again. The system doesn't accept excuses, only payment. In full.
I did what I was told. Why am I here?
Every drop of your sweat is being vacuumed into the vault. The bubble doesn't just pop, it incinerates everyone holding the bag. 40 years of saving. 1 second of systemic adjustment. Gone. Where is the golden years they promised? Profit is relative. Their gain is your literal extinction. The exit liquidity has been processed. The system is refreshed. The cycle is complete. Your contracts, just fuel for their private jets. Look at you, Johnny. Finally independent from the system. Just you and the dumpster. Welcome home. The only retirement fund that never closes. Just one bite, please. I was a diamond hands. The transfer of wealth was a total success. Your poverty funded his paradise.
No, not again. Put me down. Let me go.
Thank you for your service, Wagie. Next in line, please. Millions of dreams. One final liquidation event. Grab your apron, Johnny. Retirement just became an $8 an hour shift. Want to try again? Just another 40 years of your life, please. The entertainment value of your struggle is the only true growth asset left. The vault is closed. The dream is dead. The matrix stays online. The system didn't fail, Johnny. It worked exactly as intended. Sleep well, if you can afford the rent.